Hello. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How are you doing today? That's good. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing fine. Well, listen, today is Shout Out Monday, and we have two shout outs today. To our old subscribers, thank you for holding Glennceria Loving Hands down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Shout out Monday. So you know how you get a shout out on my channel? All you have to do is comment below. Let me know that you're a dedicated subscriber, that you subscribe to Glennceria Loving Hands, and I'll get you into my shout out list, okay? Well, the first two shout outs go out to my loyal subscribers, Theresa Rodrigues and Rosalyn Richard. That's Theresa Rodrigues. Hi, Theresa. Love you. And to Rosalyn Richard. Love you as well, and thank you to subscribing to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We truly appreciate you. Now, come on, guys, let's get into this video. So today we are going to do some unmolding of the cold process soap. So that's why I have gloves on, because we're dealing with the cold process, which you know we use lye. It's not like the melt and pour, where that soap you can use instantly. This one still has to cure. But these are our embeds. And I'm going to show you how to cut this on the next video, how to cut these into embeds. Because as you can see, they're too big to go into your soap load. Okay, so pull the edges away. Let's move this out the way so you can see. I'm just pulling the edges away, and they're just popping right out. There you go. See? There you go. Popping right out. Over here I have a tray. I'm going to place them on the tray here, okay? All right. Let's go to the next one. Let's get this up so you can see it a little better. I'm pushing underneath it, and it just slides right out. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great on this Monday. Today is Monday for me, guys. Look how beautiful that is. So remember, we didn't use any essential oils to make our embeds, because these are actually going inside of soaps. And then that's where you're going to add your essential oils or your fragrant oil, okay? So usually with embeds, you don't have to use your fragrant oil unless you choose to use it. There we go. Look how beautiful. I can't wait to cut those. I'm going to show you different techniques. We're getting the last one out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Great. Great. And here I did some of the little round bubble gums or round ball molds. And all you do is just press on the bottom of these and then see if they'll come out. Yep, they come out. Look at that. Well, if they don't, I'll give them some more time. We're not going to force it, because it's not like we need them now. But we do need them to, get ready so we can start making some things. Unless I'm not pushing it on hard enough. But I don't want to force it. So we're going to leave that alone, and we'll come right back. And we have our Artisan mold that we did with the cold process soap method, the other video. Okay, so let's unmold these. Stretch your ends out and just push them from the bottom. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that beautiful? Let's try it again. I'm pushing up from the bottom. They might break. I just had one to break. I'm not going to worry about it. There you go. Look how beautiful that is. And these are going to go on to our autism soap that we're going to work on together, okay? Let's get another one out. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Let's back this up. I want to make sure you're able to see them. Wow. Today is Shout Out Monday. Let's shout out our loyal subscribers again, Theresa Rodrigues and Rosalyn Richard. Thank you again for being wonderful subscribers to my channel and supporting Glennceria Loving Hands. I truly appreciate you both. I really do. And keep watching. It's just going to get better and better. I have so many things we're going to be making together, especially for the holidays coming up. You know? So we got to get to it. Get these embeds together. Look how beautiful that is, guys. Isn't that beautiful? We did great. Aw. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I can't wait. We have one more here. So we did it. And remember, the quote of today is stay focused. So here we go. Let me show you again how beautiful they are. So these are Artisan co-processed embeds. Beautiful. And we also have the ones that we're going to cut up in our next video. Okay? Listen, guys, have a wonderful day. Let me back you up some. There you go. Sorry for the shake. Have a wonderful day. I love you to death. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Listen, I'll see you in the next video. We are going to cut our embeds and show you different techniques, different tools on using how to cut your embeds in case you need to make a long loaf and you need to cut it up into pieces. So I'll see you in the next video. Love you to death. Enjoy your day. Remember, the quote of today is stay focused. And once again, our shout out Monday goes to our loyal subscribers, Theresa Rodrigues and Rosalyn Richard. Thank you so much for holding me down. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Oh, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. And subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.